What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's another day of rust removal on Project Down a Few. As you can see, I've got the rear end and leaf spring taken out of the truck and the leaf spring completely disassembled. Let me bring you on over here and I'll show you what I'm going to do. Here's the leaf spring removed out of the truck, everything disassembled out of it. And you can see this thing is completely caked in rust. Every bit of these, and with all the work I've put in on the frame, I'm not going to put these back in like this. So I'm going to be stripping these down, getting them ready, prepped, and painting them today. Also, this rear end, I'm going to be doing the exact same thing to this. And I know that I'm going to be stripping these brake lines out of here, so I'm going to take advantage of the situation and soak these in penetrating oil while I'm doing all the other work. This is going to be a lot of fun. I'm going to get you guys set up and then I'll start going to work. If you guys plan on doing any of this type of work, I highly recommend these. These type of strip disc save so much time. I think I got 4 of them for $10 on Amazon. Look at the difference in that already. All that nasty, cancerous rust is gone. Now I'm going to get my orbital sander and start with 60 grit and go over every single inch of these. Alright guys, I think you've waited long enough. It's time to show you what all that hard work, time, and effort turned into. Let me get you spun around and I'll show you what we're dealing with. Alright, check this out. What do you think of this? Quite a difference. New fuel tank and a new fuel pump. Removed every bit of rust off this frame. Bump stops I completely redid. There's those leaf springs you saw me sanding on for 4 years. New bushings in the shackle, and I actually powder coated these. This was my first time ever powder coating. I think it came out pretty decent. And guys, when I say I put a lot of time in this, I mean I think I put more effort into this than most people put in their marriage. Lost a couple friends, forgot to eat. No, I didn't. My pants are still tight. But I think she came out pretty good. Alright, in the next video you'll see me getting the rear axle completed, and then it'll be put back together and I can start working on the other parts. And I want to say thank you to everyone who stuck around and watched me do everything so far. I appreciate it, and to all the new subscribers, that means a lot. So if you like what you saw, go ahead and subscribe and hit like. It's free. I'm the one buying all the paint. That's a pretty good deal. Well anyways guys, I appreciate it. Thank you and have a good day.